Hey guys, this is RLC321 with a new name with this fantastic plastics. Fantastic plastic. Anyway, first of all, I want to apologise for not doing many videos. The builds are still, I am still doing the builds, just haven't had time to do the builds because I've been doing 2 jobs at once. I'm doing Monday to Thursday in Essex, travelling around doing things, and then on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I've got a second job as well. Not a lot of time, so I do completely apologise about that. But that's all going to have to change soon. But we'll probably discuss that at a later date. But anyway, today I've got 2 videos coming out for you. Both are unboxing videos. Okay, one I'm really excited about. Oh yes, and the other one I'm also excited about. Yay! But not as excited about. Oh, yeah. Excited one. Okay, so this is the yay excited one right here. Got it from Amazon. Yes, box. You get boxes from Amazon, by the way. I don't know if you noticed that. Alright, there we go. Let me take off plastic and take out. There we go. Empty box. And we have this. Yeah, you can't really see what that is at the minute, can you? There we go. So I think what we'll... Oh no, why is that? Why are you there? Let me... That's better-ish. There we go. Right. Okay, so here we go. This is one of the things I got from Amazon. I've always loved a certain kind of cosmic horror books, should I say, by Howard Phillips Lovecraft. And I saw this. It's a glow-in-the-dark Cthulhu figure. And I'm thinking, that looks pretty dang awesome. Alright? It's also a piggy bank. As well. Obviously, I am not going to be using it as a piggy bank. Actually, let me see. It's made by Diamond Select. The company's called Diamond Select. I got this from on Amazon. But it only cost me 10 quid. I mean, look at the size. It's actually huge. And the detail on it looks pretty good. Yeah, I can't wait to actually paint this guy, because that's what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to be painting him. Making him look a little bit more menacing. Now, it's supposed to be a glow-in-the-dark figure. I'm not too worried about it being glow-in-the-dark or anything like that. Because it's a piggy bank as well, we've got a hole in the back here which we need to fill and cover up, and in the bottom here we have obviously the way you can get your money out. But because I'm just having this as a statue, I'm not going to have it as a piggy bank, obviously. What I am actually thinking about doing is obviously covering this hole, okay, filling this up with plaster of Paris, and so it'll be quite a hefty weight, and then I can have it on display, give it a really good paint job and everything, a really nice, I was thinking about going with a bronze kind of paint job, but then I thought, no, I'm going to paint it as if it's Cthulhu himself, but still be like as a statue. Okay, so it's going to be a lot of painting and a lot of fine detail involved in this kit, so I'm really looking forward to this. It's a vinyl kit. It stands at, let's get me ruler, just about 9.5 inches tall, which for people that don't like inches, which is about 24.5 centimeters, give or take a centimeter or 3. But still, it's a fairly decent little purchase here, and there's a few little mishaps. So we've got don't know if you can see here, you could probably hear it. it's quite rough there, whereas on this side, not as rough. So we've got some sanding and everything, but we still, when we give it a good old primer spray, we'll be able to find out where all of the imperfections are and go from there. But so yeah, this is gonna be awesome. I've seen this. I've had this in my wish list on Amazon Prime for ages, absolutely ages, and I've always wanted to give it a go. And because you can get painted versions of this, okay, a lot smaller, similar kind of thing, but just a little bit smaller, and it's not a money box. But they're like really expensive, about £50. So I didn't want to do it. I'm gonna paint it myself. And so I thought, you know, I'm gonna get that bad boy. So that is part one of the unboxing. So I'm going to be doing obviously a series on this as well as doing all my other ones. But yeah, this I've been looking forward to getting this and doing this for a long time. So anyway, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. It's going to be a short one, obviously, and we can then go on to our next unboxing video, which you will see shortly. You take care of yourselves. See you in the next one. Bye bye now.